There are several ways dental implants can improve your life. Number one, the obvious, is filling missing spaces. If you've been missing teeth for a long time, dental implants are an absolutely great solution to achieve that. They also restore function. When you start to lose teeth, you have a diminished ability to chew and masticate food, and dental implants allow us to put more teeth in that facilitate that. The third reason that I think dental implants are really life-changing for patients is they improve quality of life. I think, you use your teeth for everything and every day. You use them when you're speaking, when you're creating relationships and communicating. And so to have a complement of teeth that you're proud of and they're functional, I think that's an absolute benefit in life. Implants are designed to replicate nature. When implants first came to the States, they were designed to replace patients that had no teeth. Now we use implants to replace individual teeth with the goal to mimic nature. The goal here at Koi's Dentistry is to try to do imperceptible dentistry. And what I mean by imperceptible is that nobody should realize that you have a synthetic or fake tooth. It should look exactly or as close to as what you had before it was lost. Utilizing dental implants for tooth replacement is an amazing solution. When you're missing teeth in your mouth around the missing space tend to shift. It has detrimental effects to the bite. You start to increase wear on the teeth. And also when you're missing the tooth, the bone where the tooth used to be starts to shrink. By restoring your mouth, it has a twofold benefit. It obviously holds the bone where it used to be. And then by restoring the tooth, it stabilizes the bite. And then of course, by replacing the tooth, it increases self-confidence. It always feels more natural and comfortable to have a full complement of teeth. Most all patients are candidates for dental implants. At Koi's Dentistry, we have a whole suite of services. If you require grafting or procedures that grow the bone or require tooth removal, we do all of that. But by and large, most people are candidates for dental implants. Restoring your mouth with dental implants, it's a big investment. It also can be very emotional, the journey itself. And I think a great way to start is one of our complimentary consultations. Sometimes to be able to make the right decision, you just need more information. And we're here to be a resource for patients. Once you have the information and an understanding of what the process may be, I think making the decision whether or not to move forward is much easier. Call Koi's Dentistry today. We look forward to meeting you.